So yes, this is our food, and today also we are going to sit outside. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. Good morning all of you from Denmark. I welcome you all in my Positivity and Happiness family. So yes, I hope you all are enjoying a fantastic Sunday. So today is 15th of July. I don't know you can see it or not. 15th of July and it's Sunday. So yes, today's plan is we woke up around 9:30 and then we just had our morning tea with some crackers and some waffles. So we are a little full, but not we didn't have any heavy breakfast. So today's plan is now we are going to have our grocery shopping done, because every Saturday or every Sunday we do our grocery shopping. That actually really helps me to make my kitchen very organized. And one more thing, my friends, today after coming back from our grocery shopping, there will be something special in my kitchen, because Bikram is going to make full Sunday breakfast or brunch for me, for us. So it's gonna be a fun-filled cooking session with him in the kitchen. So I'm gonna invite you all in my kitchen. So please stay tuned with my video. So my friends, this is Lidl and it's our newly discovered grocery chain. So today is the first time that we are doing our weekly grocery from Lidl. So whenever we are staying in a different locality in the center of the city, we used to buy our regular groceries from Netto and Buxton. But today for the first time we are doing it from Lidl, and it's really awesome. You can see it's a big grocery store, and now I'll see what I'm gonna take. And the good part is, very important and very satisfying part is, this grocery store Lidl also, they sells lot of organic products which I really admire, which I really like and I really appreciate. Like Netto and like Superbuxen, like any other Fortex, any other big grocery stores in Denmark, Lidl also they sell lot of good organic products. So that is the best thing I like here, and it's so close to our place. That is the added advantage. So I'm really liking shopping here in this Lidl. So we are back from Lidl, our grocery store. So yes, that's how my grocery looks like. Today we got lot of groceries, lot of vegetable, fruits and everything. So as I told you before, it's for my 1 week. It will be sufficient for 1 week, but I have some onion and potatoes in my kitchen and some meal. But probably after 2-3 days, I might need some extra. So yes, that's the thing. But vegetable, fruits and everything is like perfect and sufficient for 1 week. So that's my grocery spread looks like. Today we have got a lot of fruits, fresh vegetables and everything. So I just want to do a quick haul part. And first of all, there is paper napkin, then cinnamon, powdered cinnamon. I wanted to buy it from Long Period. And then natural yogurt, apple berry juice, and then some dishwasher. And here is aluminium foil, some bananas, then broccoli, our favorite, some eggs, organic eggs, and some breads, garlic, tomatoes, some fresh strawberries, and cauliflower, cabbage, then spinach, and here is some chicken, bell pepper, tricolor bell pepper, some limes, again some sandwich bread, pineapple, and I got some toilet tissue as well, and there is eggplant. Hi everyone, so welcome back again. I got changed and now I'm freshen up. So I arranged all my groceries and everything in place. So this is the breakfast time or brunch time, because it's late now, almost it's 11:30. So today we will have brunch. But this brunch or breakfast, whatever it is, Bikram is going to cook today. So please stay tuned for a couple cooking time. So today's in our weekend kitchen, my hubby is going to cook a yummy breakfast for me. So please stay tuned. And
hi everyone. So I'm preparing the breakfast today.
yes, it looks yummy, yummy.
So I have a lot of things
Yes.
to do today. Like I have chicken sausage here. I need to prepare it, and there is egg. And as you know, I will be
So 2 eggs is there,
yeah,
right?
2 eggs is there, and
You have
there is,
already beaten.
bread also. So I will be preparing the French toast. There is a milk and sugar and the butter. So yes, and I will cut a lot of fruits.
Yes. There will a full continental bread.
So one more time I want to show you the ingredients. Milk and then whole wheat sandwich bread, sugar, some butter, there is some cinnamon powder, black pepper powder, chicken sausage and 2 beaten eggs. So these are the simple ingredients for today's French toast. Greasing some butter in the hot pan. And after greasing the pan really well with some butter, now he's adding bread pieces one by one. You just need to coat your bread pieces really well, and he has added milk, dash of cinnamon powder and some sugar in the beaten eggs.
How is it going, cooking?
So far, so good.
Okay, so now he has put two breads in the pan, and now he's gonna fry it. So we are little gentle with the butters. Yes, definitely you can put more butter, but this much butter is good for us. How it looks like, yum yum yum.
And here is the full plate of French toast. It looks awesome, looks super delicious. And now he's gonna fry the chicken sausage.
So what you have added? Just salt and pepper?
Yes, just salt and pepper and some oil.
Yes. No butter this time, right?
No butter this time.
Yes.
And just
So we just need to shallow fry this, not for a very longer period of time. Yes. Temperature adjustment is really important whenever you are frying. So yes, this is our food, and today also we are going to sit outside.
so yeah.
So many of you have told me that you are liking my balcony. So yes, some more fruit salad is coming. So please stay tuned. Fruit salad?
Fruit salad
Yes,
and
yummy.
this fruit juice.
Fruit juice. And this salad, I have cut this salad. So today this is my only contribution. And yes. Wow, this is apple and berry that we picked, right? Apple and berry juice. So I'm a big fan of fruit juice, but Bikram is not that big fan, but today he will like, especially after French toast and this time.
So yes, my friends, that's how the food looks like. It looks super inviting and super yummy. So now it's around 12 o'clock. So now we are gonna enjoy our brunch here. So fruit salad is there, French toast, and then I have got some croissant and some donuts, fruit juice and some chicken sausage.
So yes, that's our breakfast looks like. It looks yummy, super delicious and tasty, and I hope we are gonna enjoy our brunch now. We will sit here for no less than 1 hour because this is beautiful balcony. We love to enjoy our brunch. Seeing this beautiful nature and everything. So yes, I hope you have enjoyed my vlog. If you have liked my vlog, my video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Those who are new to my channel or those who have already subscribed, please give me a lot of thumbs up and keep sharing your love and support to me.
Before
So,
this,
yes.
test.
Oh, okay. Vikram is telling to taste it. Okay, let's taste a little bit. And it's perfect. It's crispy from outside and moist from inside. Super yummy and super tasty.
Do you need any sauce, ketchup?
No, with this
Fine,
yes, I am fine. So yes, now we are going to enjoy our breakfast.
So yes, my friends, that's the end of today's vlog. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I also have enjoyed really making this vlog, because in our kitchen we had so much of fun. And yes, that's life. We should definitely enjoy the small things in the life, because life is very short and very precious. We should spread as much as positivity and happiness as we can. So I hope you are also having a great Sunday, and I will definitely see you really very soon with a new vlog, with a new video. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for giving me a lot of support and motivation. So tata, bye bye, love you, see you guys in my next video.